Humans regenerate using stem cells that come from the womb. So when we were developing in the womb, we were only stem cells. When we were born, we had extra stem cells.
Dr. William Li suggests that our bodies have an incredible ability to regenerate naturally. But what if you could enhance this process even further? Picture yourself feeling more youthful, energetic, and even minimizing those annoying wrinkles. You've probably heard that starfish can regrow their limbs, right? But did you know that humans, while not regrowing arms, are constantly regenerating on a subtle level? Let's dive into how you can harness this incredible power. Did you know that the drinks you choose can actually boost your stem cells and help you live longer? Curious to find out which ones? Stick around, because in this video we're revealing the top 3 drinks that can supercharge your body's natural healing powers. Thanks to the groundbreaking research of Dr. William Li. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Meet Dr. William Li, a world-renowned medical doctor and researcher with Harvard training. As the founder and president of the Angiogenesis Foundation, Dr. Li has made groundbreaking contributions to medical science. His work has led to the approval of over 40 FDA-approved treatments and devices for various conditions, including cancer, cardiovascular disease, wound healing, and vision loss. Dr. Li is also a New York Times best-selling author, celebrated for his book Eat to Beat Disease, The New Science of How Your Body Can Heal Itself. Recently, he released another insightful book titled Eat to Beat Your Diet, Burn Fat, Heal Your Metabolism, and Live Longer. Number 1. Hot chocolate. First up, absolutely, you heard that right. But we're not talking about just any hot chocolate. Dr. Li suggests one made with at least 73% cacao. This isn't just a delicious treat, it's a powerful stem cell booster. The dark chocolate is packed with flavanols, which are potent bioactive compounds known to enhance your body's natural repair processes. So enjoy your hot chocolate and give your body a boost at the same time.
Dark chocolate. I will tell you that cacao has been shown to actually double the number of stem cells flowing in your bloodstream just by having 2 cups of hot chocolate made with 80% high flavanol chocolate, dark chocolate.
Come on.
Yeah, it's been done in people 60-year-olds with heart disease.
Flavanols are amazing compounds that can boost blood flow, reduce inflammation, and even double your stem cell count in just a month. They essentially fuel your body's regenerative system, turning hot chocolate into more than just a comfort drink. It's a health-boosting powerhouse. Regularly enjoying dark chocolate with high cacao content has been linked to better heart health, improved brain function, and a lower risk of chronic diseases.
The polyphenols in this dark chocolate, that we know what they are. They're called proanthocyanidins. So I'm a scientist, so my job is to actually know what the inside chemicals actually are. These are natural chemicals, all right? Most people don't need to know that, but you drink it, it tastes good. That's all you need to know. But I'll tell you, these natural chemicals found in cacao actually trigger a reaction in your body so that they call out the stem cells. So it is literally like bees flying out of a hive, can double the number of stem cells. And what's the practical impact? Well, there was a study done at UCSF in San Francisco that looked at 60-year-old men with heart disease. So these are people whose blood vessels were already not doing so well, and their blood flow wasn't going so well either, and their blood vessels were kind of sick. That's kind of the definition of heart disease. By having the stem cells coming out, they were able to actually double the resiliency, the function of their blood vessels. So they got better rebound, they're better agility. Their blood vessels are in better shape because their stem cells are regenerating their circulation.
Wow.
So this is human studies, right? Like most of the time you hear about scientists talking about rats or mice or cells. I'm talking about human studies. And that's kind of where we are with food as medicine.
Enjoying a cup of hot chocolate made with real cacao is more than just a treat for your taste buds. The flavanols in dark chocolate help protect your cells from oxidative stress and encourage the growth of new healthy cells. So, not only does it satisfy your sweet tooth, but it also supports your overall health and longevity. To get the most out of your hot chocolate, opt for one made with unsweetened cocoa powder or a dark chocolate bar with at least 73% cacao. Mix it with hot water or unsweetened almond milk for a creamy, rich texture that's both healthy and satisfying. Skip the whipped cream and sugar to avoid unnecessary calories and maintain the health benefits. Instead, enhance the flavor with a pinch of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract. These additions will elevate the taste while keeping your drink aligned with your health goals. Enjoy. Number 2. Green tea and black tea. Next, green tea and black tea are more than just comforting drinks. They're loaded with powerful polyphenols, which work like little defenders, shielding your cells from harm and even enhancing your stem cell production.
Tea comes from a plant, and we know that plant-based foods are good for our health. That's now almost universally recognized. And the leaf of the tea, which is what we steep, from a sort of researcher's perspective, there are thousands of natural chemicals. We call them bioactives because they interact with our biology. And some of the compounds that are natural chemicals are like catechins, gallic acid, theanine, and theaflavins. And they all wind up in a cup of tea when you brew it. And some of the amazing things that have been shown by research is that drinking tea actually can help prevent our cells from aging. So it's even has I'm sure the emperor didn't have the science, but appreciated that anti-aging properties of tea, prevents our telomeres from shortening. So our cells stay younger, slow down cellular aging.
Green tea is particularly notable for its high concentration of a compound called epigallocatchin gallate, which is EGCG. This compound is celebrated for its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, playing a crucial role in shielding your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. EGCG helps to neutralize harmful free radicals and aids your body's natural repair mechanisms.
There's a polyphenol. Everybody talks about polyphenols. I like to be specific. So the polyphenol that has been best studied in tea is called EGCG, epigallocatchin gallate, EGCG, and green tea has a lot of it because it's closest to what comes off the tea plant. And then everything from that, all teas come from that downstream in terms of how they're prepared. But green tea has, as much as 16 times the EGCG than some of the more processed or handled.
Black tea, despite being fermented, is packed with a unique mix of polyphenols that can boost your stem cell production. It's not just green tea that offers health benefits. Black tea has its own impressive array of compounds that promote well-being. Drinking these teas regularly can lead to better heart health, improved metabolism, and enhanced cellular function. For the best experience and maximum benefits, try to drink 2 to 3 cups of green or black tea each day. You can enjoy it either hot or cold, depending on what you prefer. To enhance the antioxidant content, add a squeeze of lemon or a dash of ginger. Lemon helps your body absorb antioxidants better, while ginger provides extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Just remember to avoid adding sugar or milk, as they can interfere with the absorption of the beneficial compounds and reduce the health benefits of the tea. Enjoy your tea. Number 3. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice isn't just a delicious ruby red drink, it's a health powerhouse. Packed with antioxidants, especially elagitannins, it helps protect your cells from oxidative stress and damage. Think of these compounds as tiny shields, guarding your cells against harmful free radicals that can speed up aging and lead to diseases.
Pomegranates do something different to your gut microbiome because the ruby red seeds of pomegranate, which are used to make juice, contain something called elagitannins. These are natural chemicals. They're so beautiful and they taste great. You can put them into a salad. There's lots of different ways you can do them. But when you juice them, one of the things that is wonderful is to be able to press the juice through the skin. And because there's elagitannins in the skin as well, so you get a lot more. You get like the knockout punch of these elagitannins when you juice with the skin. Now, what does that do? Those elagitannins in your body, when you drink it, first of all, they're also cancer starving. They're also antioxidant. They also lower inflammation. But one of the great things about they do is they stimulate your gut to secrete healthy mucus. And that's normal. It sounds a little gross, but actually our gut likes to stimulate, likes to make mucus, and the bacteria love to grow in the mucus. The bacteria growing in mucus in our gut is like flowers growing in a flower bed that's been properly fertilized. They sprout, they bloom, they look great, and that's basically what pomegranate juice actually does in our gut. It helps these bacteria grow really well. One of the bacteria grows really well is called Akkermansia. mucin like mucus, and that bacteria is a guardian of our
It
health.
helps our immune
It helps our
system.
immune
It helps us
system.
fight
It helps us
cancer.
fight cancer.
It even appears to
be able to help kind of make blood sugars good, to be able to help control and prevent diabetes. And so that's a function that a simple juice that's delicious to drink and easy to make, like pomegranate juice, is so valuable.
Agitannins offer even more advantages. They help boost gut health by fostering the growth of beneficial bacteria, which are crucial for a robust immune system and overall wellness. What's truly remarkable is that these compounds can also inhibit cancer cell growth by cutting off their blood supply, effectively starving them and preventing their spread. Drinking pomegranate juice is a fantastic way to support your stem cells and add a powerful ally to your cancer-fighting efforts. To get the most out of it, opt for 100% pure pomegranate juice without any added sugars. The natural sweetness of pomegranate is plenty, and added sugars can diminish some of its health benefits. Aim for a daily glass about 8 ounces to provide your body with all the antioxidants and nutrients it needs to keep your cells in top shape. You can enjoy it straight, but for a refreshing twist, try mixing it with sparkling water. This fizzy, delicious drink feels like a treat without any guilt. Pomegranate juice is a fantastic addition to other fruit juices or smoothies, making for a delicious and nutrient-rich breakfast or snack. It's a great way to start your day with a burst of flavor and health benefits. So there you have it, 3 powerful science-backed drinks to help you boost your stem cells and promote longevity, all recommended by Dr. William Li. Remember, boosting your stem cells isn't just about living longer, it's about living better. Incorporating these drinks into your routine is a great way to start supporting your body at the cellular level. Be sure to give these a try and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on boosting your health and longevity, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, be sure to share this video with someone who could benefit from these amazing drinks. Here's to your health and long, vibrant life. See you in the next video.